We always have issues and problems in our lives, and maybe you're tired of it. Every day, you're solving problems, completing tasks, and trying to achieve your goals. Scrolling through Instagram doesn't help in this situation, where it seems like everyone else is living a perfect, happy life. Let me tell you about the Universe 25 experiment by John B. Calhoun. The Universe 25 experiment was an ambitious attempt to understand the effects of overcrowding and social environment on behavior. Calhoun created a utopia for mice, an environment with unlimited food, water, nesting material, and no predators. It seemed like the perfect setting for a thriving mouse population. However, what unfolded was far from a utopia. At first, the mouse population grew rapidly, as expected. But as the population increased and the space became more crowded, strange behaviors began to emerge. Social structure broke down, and the mice became increasingly isolated. The more dominant mice took over the prime nesting spots, while the less dominant ones were pushed to the edges, leading to stress and aggression. Eventually, despite the abundance of resources, the population began to decline, with the mice displaying a range of maladaptive behaviors, neglect of young, random violence, and withdrawal from social interaction. Ultimately, the population collapsed entirely. Our instincts were shaped by evolution to help us survive in natural environments, not in cities. That's why our instincts may not always work well in urban settings, leading to unnecessary fears or a sense of being out of control or lost in life. However, it's important to remember that facing challenges and struggles is not a negative thing. In fact, it can be a valuable opportunity for personal growth and development. So remember to envision your goals regularly. Understand the purpose of what you are doing. For sure, there is someone who needs your work, no matter how small it may seem. Be patient. Like in the experiment, if you had everything handed to you immediately, your life might not be as fulfilling as you think.